skip the card, and let's dive into using your digital wallet at a Bank of America ATM for quick and easy cash access. First, locate the contactless symbol on the ATM. It looks like a sideways Wi-Fi symbol. This indicates where you'll tap your phone. Open your digital wallet on your smartphone. Authenticate with your fingerprint, Face ID, or passcode, just like you normally would when making a purchase. Now, hold your phone near the contactless symbol on the ATM. Ensure your phone makes contact, or is very close to, the reader. The ATM screen will prompt you to select your account. Choose either checking, savings, or credit, depending on where you want to withdraw the money from. Next, select the amount of cash you'd like to withdraw. You can choose a preset amount or select other amount to type in a custom value. The ATM will then dispense your cash and offer you a receipt. Take your cash and the receipt. And that's all. You've successfully used your digital wallet at a Bank of America ATM. It's secure, convenient, and a great way to access your money without your physical card.